I have in the figure, AB is square root 34 units, AC is 3 units, and CE is 21 units. What is the area of ADE? Okay, so first mission, I can see that triangle, look at all these similar triangles. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE. Why? Because they each contain a right angle and they also share angle A together. So that means that their sides are in proportion to each other. So important here that it's 24. So, well, just to show the whole side proportion setup and relationship, it would be that AD is similar to AB, so the two hypotenuses, and AE, the whole base of the large triangle, is similar to AC. And then I have all that information. Well, I don't have AD, but I have AB is root 34. I have that AE, it's 24, and AC is 3. And then we can do like 3AD is equal to 24 multiplied by root 34. So I get that AD is equal to 8 root 34. But I can see that the whole proportion is basically being multiplied by 8. So this whole length would be 8 root 34. So you see, like, if this is 34, this is by 8, this is 3, and 24 is the same as 8 times 3. Well, I want to show the scale factor is 3 times 8, so 24. So 8, 8, and therefore, I would want to find what the length of BC is, and then I would multiply that by 8, or I can just find it directly. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. So I want to find, we'll say DE squared plus its base, which we established as 24 squared, is equal to 8 root 34 squared. So DE squared plus 24 squared is equal to 64 times 34, 2176. So then we get that DE is equal to 1600. And then we just want to take the square root of that, which will be DE is equal to 40. Okay, and then now I just have to do area is equal to base times height divided by 2. Area is equal to the base 24 multiplied by the height 40 divided by 2. And that will be equivalent to 480, and that is our answer. Hi guys, I'm Jackie. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please be sure to like, comment, rate, and subscribe if you like this video and you want to keep getting more amazing SAT questions. Thank you again and have an amazing day.